So guys, today I'm going to teach you how to create a glass object in Blender. So let's create. I'm using the Blender version 2.71. It's quite basic version. So let's start. So first, to create a glass, we have to create a cylinder. So let's delete this cube. So delete it. So to delete it, press X, then delete, then enter. Shift A, then mesh, then cylinder, then enter, then zoom it, then S to scale it, okay, then switch to the edit mode, then select the faces button here, then press A once or twice until everything is deselected, then select the top face, then X, then faces, then enter. So we have a basic glass shape here. Now switch to the wireframe mode, then hold the Alt key and select any edge down here. So first select the edges button, then select any edge here, then scale it down. Then press A once or twice until everything is deselected. Then select all. Then press 1 on the numpad. Then drag it up. Right. Now press A again. Now again hold down the Alt key and select this edge. Then press E to extrude. And then extrude it, then press E again, okay, then again press 1 on the numpad, then select all by pressing it twice, then drag it up, okay. Let's create the base or the surface. To create it, press Shift S. First go to the object mode, then press Shift S, then cursor to the center, and Shift A mesh plane. So switch to the solid plane, then press S to scale, then 100 and enter. So now let's add some thickness to the glass. To add the thickness, go to the modifiers button, add a modifier, add solidify subdivision surface modifier first, set the view and render values always to 2, then again add modifier, solidify modifier, set the thickness to 0.89. Now it's okay. Now click the smooth button. So let's set the material for the glass. Here, new. Now come up here and change blender render to the cyclist window. Then use nodes. Then let's set the surface as glossy surface. Now set the color to the blue, or you can set whatever you want. Okay. Then set the roughness value to 6.684. So now set the material for the ground. Keep the diffuse surface and diffuse color. So zoom out and then press the lamp and get it into the x-axis of the glass. Then drag it back. Then drag it up by z-axis. Okay, then select the object data button, then set the size to 2, then click use nodes button, then set the strength to the 5000. Enter. So now we have all our scene is set up. So click the 0 on numpad, switch to the camera view, then press N for the taskbar or properties panel, then lock the camera to the view. So now you can zoom and zoom out from the camera. So untick this and then zoom here. Okay, then again retick this. So now you have the surface. So set the camera on your comfortable view. I'm setting this right. So switch to the render view. So now you can see this glass here. So now we are going to render this image. To render this, first switch to solid view, then select the glass, then increase some roughness, okay, then deselect all, then click on the render button, then select the file you want. So I want this file, so accept. So now you can select the image format. So let's render this image. To render, click on the render button. I am going to fast forward this video.